Hi everyone, by the end of this video, you'll be able to solve this tricky math problem. Starting with exponents, 4 to the power 2, so 4 times 4 is 16 minus 12 is 4. Drop the divided by 4 times 2, and 4 divided by 4 is 1. Drop the times 2, and 1 times 2 is 2. So the answer must be 2. Wrong. The answer is not 2. Let me show you how to solve this math problem using PANDAS. And PANDAS is saying that you do start with the exponent and also look at the operations too, because from previous videos I have said, hey, always look at these operations first and look at PANDAS. Remember, PEMDAS is broken into 4 different groups, or 4 different levels, I mean. And parentheses, the highest level, and AS, addition and subtraction, is the lowest level. And you always look at the first operation and then work towards the right. So I see subtraction, and you should know that's in the lowest level, right? Then look at the right, that's division. You know that division has higher priority than subtraction because division is in a level that's above the lowest level. M stands for multiplication and D stands for division. And you don't go by the strictness of the letters like, oh, I need to do 4 times 2 first because the M letter is first. And then 12 divided by 4 will go second because that's D after the M. No, it's all about which of these 2 operations you hit first. So when you work towards the right, you know that subtraction is in the lowest level, and then division, I know that one is higher level than subtraction, and then I look to the right, which is the last operation, and it's multiplication. These 2 operations are both within its own level, and it's all about which of those 2 you hit first. It's division you hit first. So you start with 12 divided by 4. 12 divided by 4 is 3. Next, drop times 2 and also drop 4 to the power of 2 minus. And here's the trick of the trap. It's tricky because some of us will do this. We'll do this. 4 to the power of 2 minus 3 is 13. Drop the times 2, and then 13 times 2 is 26, and the answer is not 26, so don't do that. And I kind of got tricked as well, because you do not start with division, you start with exponents, because look, PANDAS is saying that exponent is higher, it has higher priority than subtraction, has higher priority than division, has higher priority than multiplication. So 4 to the power of 2 goes first. So 4 times 4 is 16. Next, I drop the minus 12 divided by 4 times 2. And then you tell me, do I start with subtraction? Do I start with division? Or do I start with multiplication? If you picked subtraction, you are wrong. If you picked 4 times 2 because the M letter goes first and D is second, you are incorrect. 4 times 2 does not go first. 12 divided by 4 goes first, which is 3. Next, I drop the times 2 and also drop the 16 minus. You start looking at the first operation and then work towards the right. So left to right. So does subtraction go first? No. Does multiplication go first? Yes. What is 3 times 2? 6. Good job. Next, I drop the 16 minus. And what is 16 minus 6? Easy. 10. So the answer is 10. There you go. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. And if you already did, Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.